You purchase and download the most popular kids learning video collections, watch on any device ad free and no internet. You can take them camping on road trips. It's just about anywhere except for war. I wouldn't take it to war. Ask your parents to follow the link below this video with your favorite kids learning digital video collection today. You can buy them all. Get ready to. We have some planets, all different in size. Here's our planetary size comparison for you live. We'll look at each planet, measure by their radius here. There are so many planets that will appear. I am Ceres. I am felt as the largest object in the asteroid belt. I am Orcus, to be direct. I'm a trans-Neptunian object. I'm Lucinda, if you can stand it. I'm a large minor planet. I'm Thor. You may respect as a trans-Neptunian object. My name's kind of funny. It's mighty, mighty. I am a dwarf planet. Yeah, that's me. How made up is my name. I'm 6 in line with fame. A dwarf planet. Yeah, we're not all the same. My name is Ceres. I am a dwarf planet. The most massive dwarf in your system yet. You know me as Pluto. I was a planet, but not dwarf, you know. I'm the you put me back as a planet, though. Who's Kepler 37? Wait a minute, that's me. An extra solar planet that you're now see. I'm Mercury, the second hottest as a sun. I'm in your solar system, closest planet to your sun. Come visit this planet so far to learn all about Mars. I'm the 10th largest planet, but not really in charge. My name is Venus, for what that is worth. I'm almost the same size as your beautiful Earth. I'm the Earth on this planet, daily run peace. Take it with me, I'm the planet you always on. Proxima Centauri, I'm the planet you see. An exoplanet in a habitable zone you degree. Have you heard about me? Kepler 10D is my name. I have a rocky surface, I'm amazing, some do claim. My surface is a furnace, I'm 407B, 400 feet, 9 light years from the Earth, that's me. Neptune centers the size of atmospheres that think bigger than helium, and I'm the most distant from our burning sun. I'm Uranus, the planet 7 from the sun, yet I'm blue with 13 rings, I'm sure we have met. You know me as Saturn with rings, this is true. I have the most moons in the solar system, now 82. I'm Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. I am the 5th planet from the sun. I'm an extrasolar planet, this is 51 megacycles, something my atmosphere contains water that we may see. I am a planet, my name's Swiss 876D, an extrasolar planet up in the space that's me. My name is 1,540 I am designated the largest known planet you see. We have some planets, all different in size. Here's our planetary size comparison for you live. We'll look at each planet, measure by their radius here. There are so many planets that will appear. Forget this is